Guys, so we're gonna be playing don't press the button.
I actually made it once and I'm actually really proud of that moment. Okay, now hi guys.
Oh yeah, this is a video. You guys, you're in the vlog, so
hi guys.
I died.
Come back. Guys, don't wait, I'm gonna die.
Yeah, died. So
Wait,
Liam
stay
Epic
there. Stay
17
exactly
and
where you are.
shout out
Stay.
to all these people. So like wait, no, darn it, I pressed the button. Okay.
Gabby, stay.
What?
Gabby, stay right there.
Okay.
So hey guys, so this is me, Foxy Spider 3. I'm on my real account. And we have Liam playing with us.
Liam 17 Epic.
And I'm
Okay, guys, wait, come to this side so they can all. Oh my god.
Oh, I like this one. You jump high. Hello. We have to stick together.
Oh yay.
Okay, I'm gonna get the coin.
I'm getting coin.
I got the coin.
I think I've gotten like 10 coins.
My coin. Dang it.
I got it.
Me.
Uh-huh.
So guys, don't forget, I wouldn't be cool 1, 2. I mean, I'm Foxy Spider 3.
And I wouldn't be cool. So 1, 2, 3.
Oh, this is
So-
kind of easy. I like it. Easy. So guys, that's my dog. Sorry about it. We're at my house and it's pretty noisy. Sorry.
Ow, I died.
I made it.
So sorry
I
again.
made it, guys.
I made it too. Okay, I'm right here.
Sorry guys about the noise. It's just my dog. Oh, I made it. Hi, Liam.
Hello.
Wait, no, darn it.
So guys, if you didn't hear me the first, I'm Foxy Spider 3, and I have I'm gonna die.
Okay, so once again, without even. Okay, guys. So we just passed these boulders, and they're kind of, And sorry for the.
What?
Oh my God,
it's
the
closing
reason.
in. Go into the middle.
Okay,
Guys, we have
so.
to stay in the middle because the walls are closing in. If you touch the wall, you're gonna die.
Oh.
So we're all like huddled up and like. Oh my God,
Earthquake. Let me get the
earthquake.
coin. I don't know. Wait, I got the coin.
Oh darn it, I was gonna get the.
I'm trying to get that
see.
coin. It's all shaking so bad.
Yeah, I can't even.
Yeah, I feel like I'm growing yet shrinking.
Yeah, I know. I feel like I'm shrinking.
No, there it is.
Oh, I got the coin! Yay! Oh, guys, this one's like so difficult. Well, actually, it's not difficult at all, but like you have to time it and don't touch the walls. Did you guys make it?
I made it.
I made it. I think I touched the wall, but it glitched. So
Yay!
I'm getting that coin. Oh darn it! Ha ha ha! 6 2
everyone's
6
getting smaller.
2 7. Oh my God.
I'm gonna shrink
It's
this wall.
glitchy. It's so glitchy.
Oh my God, I think it's glitchy. Like
Oh my god, I feel like I'm the size of an ant.
because you are.
I am. Wait, how's that dude big?
I'm a size of.
Yay! Wait, I pressed the button. Oh, don't get in the tornado. Yeah, we're in the tornado right now.
Yeah, I
Wait,
didn't
my
know.
cat ears fell off of my head. They're on the ground.
Oh, that really sucks.
Oh wait, they're right here, but they're on my head. Look at them. Whoa, I'm growing! I'm bigger than all of y'all.
No, I'm bigger.
No, I'm bigger.
No, I'm bigger because you are all stuck in the ground.
No, I'm not stuck in the ground though. Look, Antonia.
You're dead.
I'm not.
On my screen, you're dead.
Me?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, I saw your body shattered.
I'm not dead. Okay, I'm gonna press the button. Ready? Ah!
What?
No, they're gonna pop your heads if they touch you. Don't let them touch you. Liam! You were the big head person. Oh, go on that thing. It's so fun. You just shoot out. Whee!
Oh wow.
This is so
But you
much
die anyway,
fun.
so.
Yeah, I know, but do it again.
I'm gonna
It's
go through it.
super fun. Wait, what? I didn't
So
go through it.
yeah, so let's just do it one more
Oh, I
time. Okay, guys. So now there's a little duck. So I guess yeah.
Okay, I'm getting a coin. Hi, Wimpy Cool 1, 2, 3. Oh, bombs.
Bombs.
Always be careful for your bombs, kids. I'm just kidding.
Okay, guys. I died. Yeah, and
I'm still alive, man.
Yeah, me too. I'm right behind you, Liam. So, guys, we're going over here and okay, go to red.
okay, guys. So let's go to red, people. Since it's been like so many times though. Okay, so we're going to red.
We're just gonna...
It's yellow. Ooh, I think we should
Let's go to yellow.
green.
I know this
Oh,
stopped.
it finished. I hate this song.
I didn't die. No, I darn it, I died!
Foxy Spider's still there.
I'm still here.
Yeah, I can see her.
No, I ran towards the thing. I'm being so stupid. Okay, guys, so I think everybody died.
Yeah.
Was I the last one remaining? Oh, my cat ears. Hello, cat ears. These are
Bombs
mine.
again, bombs,
Bombs.
again, bombs.
Bombs.
I was so close to the bomb, though.
Oh my god, I literally ran into the bomb, but it didn't explode. So guys, I am like, okay, the bombs aren't so hard. You just gotta avoid them. Oh wait, my body's right there. You're standing on my body.
I'm standing on your body.
No, Gabby, you were standing on my body. Oh, it's Liam's body now.
Oh, I got the mega shoes.
Me too. Everybody did.
Oh, I thought
I'm
only one
getting-
person got the mega shoes.
I am so getting this coin. Okay, wait, Liam, look, it's your body. As the statue. Oh, okay. Wait, somebody
So
press the button.
cool.
Oh,
I pressed
yeah.
the button. Oh, go to the light pad. I mean the blue pad. I'm first. And boom, I got it. Okay, what is it? Oh,
no,
go, get away, Gabby.
Oh, darn it, I forgot. I didn't even see. I was trying to look at the...
solar beam, man.
Oh, I love this. It's speed run. Okay, so Gabby, you're first. And
No, I died!
how'd you die? I think I first died.
I'm a legend. I'm a legend at speedrun.
Oh, really?
I'm first.
Yeah, well,
Somehow last time I did this, I died because I was not paying attention.
oh, dang it, I fell.
And yeah, the legendary master fell at speedrun. I won! I have a crown on me. Guys, I have a... So, wait, look at the top and it says winners, Foxy Spider 3. That's me, guys. And I am waiting here. And I have a crown on my head.
Darn it.
I'm waiting for you guys in the green patch and I have a crown on my head right now.
I think I died already. And
Wait, my crown has 2 bottoms.
I think
What?
it's bad.
Yeah, wait, guys, I won and like, I'm waiting for you.
Yeah,
Wait,
I'm gonna,
we're
I'm
supposed to
coming,
still
I'm
do
coming.
this. Oh, wait, I have 9 seconds remaining, or 8 now.
8. Okay, I'm gonna try to make it.
6, 5, 4,
Yeah, I'm
3,
totally not gonna make
2,
it.
1.
Not gonna make it.
I'm not gonna make it either,
I
either way.
have a crown on my head still. Do you guys see it?
What?
Or you will die. Simon
Says red.
Red. Here. Guys, look at me. I have a crown on my head.
Simon says green.
I'm on green. Guys, I have a crown on my head. I don't know why. Simon says pink.
I was already on pink anyways.
Look, I have a crown on my head still.
Everybody's on this pink.
I have a crown on my head. Blue. Whee! I made it.
I jumped.
Okay, guys, sorry for the disturbing sounds, but yeah.
Oh, guys, look at me. Wait, ready? Look, I'm in front of you, Gabby.
Oh yeah, I saw that.
And I have a crown on my head for some reason. I'm getting coins. How much coins do you have? I have 350.
Okay, guys, so we're playing press the button.
Doggies!
I'm not.
Love the
It's not
doggies!
anything new.
Yay, doggies!
I'm standing.
I'm jumping on the doggies. Like, literally everybody.
It's dogs and cats.
My cat ears. Why are the cats here? Oh, I love this thing. She's a gun to jump on the roof. I love this. It's like so much fun.
Yeah, okay, I made
It's
it.
so much fun. Wait, you made it
I made it. mhm.
already? Where's the top? Wait, how?
Wait, no, I didn't make it, but like I made like the jump.
What?
No, darn it, I missed.
Everybody, no, I fell to the ground. I have to redo it.
I'm still in the air.
No, darn it, I fell to the ground again. Okay, that really sucks.
I fell because it like disappeared. I pressed it. Oh,
Baldy, oh darn it.
Wait,
He doesn't do anything to you.
Baldy doesn't do anything. Oh, I love this thing. Okay.
I fell, and then it just killed me.
Oh no, wait, darn it. Okay, I died. I'm gonna die.
No! I died. My crown. It's gone.
Okay, everybody who jump is in the YouTube video. Jump if you're in the YouTube video. Okay, all these
I'm
people.
in the YouTube video, guys. So
Liam, jump. You're in the
I'm
YouTube
the
video.
girl that's jumping, and I have the colorful jacket. This is my real account, guys. By the way.
Yeah, the other one was my
Yeah,
friend's account.
Yeah, and so this is my okay. Wait, what? We just like landed on it. Oh no, their heads are gonna be popped. Who's the popper? Nobody's popping. Hey, that Coca.
I literally just got killed for no reason.
Whoa!
Oh my god, I literally just got killed again for no reason.
I fell.
I'm still alive, boy.
Oh. Are you? No, you're not.
Is that it over here?
Where? Oh, there I see you. So wait, guys, I'm jumping. I'm the one who's
I
jumping.
will survive this.
I'm the one who's jumping.
Yeah, I survived.
Whoa. Why is everyone? Oh, this getting smaller thing. Guys, after we play like 2 more rounds, we're gonna play an obby. Yay! First obby.
Okay.
Oh, God, it's raining bombs.
Okay, guys, now it's raining bombs, apparently.
Hey, why is the Coca-Cola dude body?
I love Coca-Cola. This is really my statue.
No, this shirt had a Coca-Cola thing. Ah, I died. Wait, how did I die?
I know. Well, I didn't die. I don't know if I wasn't
yes,
even paying
yes,
attention.
Thank you.
This thing is so easy. Wait, what happened to your head, Liam?
I don't know what happened to your head.
My head?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like, I don't know. It's kind of
It's
just like.
your hair is in your head.
What?
Yeah.
That's like your cat ears.
Yeah, I think he
Wait,
had.
his side. Oh my God! Wait, Liam, stay there. Look at him.
I have cat ears, I think.
Liam, look at yourself.
My glasses are on the other side of my foot.
Okay, guys, so we're gonna.
On my screen it says.
Whoa!
Oh, I love this.
Oh, I love Simon Says.
Okay, Simon says again. Simon says green. Oh, Jesus.
Green.
Okay,
I'm
they're
on
green.
Oh, everybody's on that one. Liam is on his own. Liam, you should die because you look really bad. Yeah. Liam,
Yeah.
someone
You should reset your character or something.
blue. I just literally.
I died on this red spot.
Oh, wait, those coins are.
Do I look normal now? I'm gonna come back to Earth.
Hi guys, this is me. Hi.
Oh, everybody's on this one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Pink. Oh, pink is right here. It's. Wait, why'd you go that way?
I don't know.
My yellow.
I was already on yellow. I was literally going to go to red. Or pink, I mean. And then after I just went on to.
guys.
Okay.
Whoa. Okay.
Did I
Your
change?
ears
Oh,
fall again.
get to the top. Okay, I'm gonna go this way with the vertical.
I'm already on the top.
I'm going with the vertical.
I'm already on the top.
How are you already on the top?
I guess I was standing in the middle and when I got out of the glass container.
No!
I'm still alive, boy.
No! Wait, you fell on the top?
Yes, because I was in a glass container.
Wait, Liam, are you sure? Because I still see you alive.
Yeah, he fell on the. So when he was dead, the glass container, it dropped him onto the top.
Oh, okay.
I died on that one.
Oh my god.
I'm
Okay, I
taking
think
yellow.
I'm actually going to
yellow
pick
with her.
green.
Yellow's probably the worst color ever, but everybody's on yellow. Oh, it was blue. I'm gonna pick green.
I'm going to pick blue.
I'm picking green. Wait, Liam, you're falling. Oh no.
Okay, so. Oh, yeah.
Oh, it was red. Okay, now I'm gonna pick red. Wait, red always repeats itself. Is that a good idea?
You
Yeah.
want it?
I'm just gonna risk my life, but it won't kill us because.
Yes.
Oh my god, I was almost going to go to blue. But then, like, I was
we
just
actually
like.
made it. Okay, that's nice.
Oh, my Coca-Cola bottle shirts.
Ooh, blue pad. I want that blue pad. Hey, why is this girl so fast at running?
She probably has, like, a power up or something.
Oh, yes, I love this thing.
Yes.
We.
I'm
Oh,
literally
it's
twisting
twirling.
in air.
I want it
I
twirling.
love this so much, guys. It's like so fun. You just shoot into air.
I know.
I'm gonna go shoot it back into my air. I'm
But I
gonna
just
shoot
don't
back
want to
into
do it
planet Earth.
because I don't know.
I'm sideways.
For some reason. Okay, guys.
Oh, my body's
Oh my god,
hurt.
there's a unicorn. Okay, hi,
Guys,
unicorn.
look at my mousey.
Oh my god.
My mousey's in my hand. Oh, it changed to Liam's body. That sucks.
I just speed run.
Yeah, I love speed run.
Speedrun.
Once you
Okay.
win, I think you have the crown, and it's like the best crown ever. I'm gonna beat this vertical guy. So
Okay, so
guys, I'm
sorry
beating this
for the noise.
vertical.
It's just regular. I mean, lifestyle right here.
And I won! I have the crown on me again. Yes, I look beautiful with a crown floating
Okay.
on my head. Guys, I'm waiting for
Oh,
you.
no, darn it, I died. Okay, fine. I'm just not even gonna try anymore.
You still have like 30 seconds left.
I know, but I'm actually just gonna do it anyways. Okay. Okay, you guys. So now I guess we have to do this.
Oh, okay. This is actually like weird. It's like just going on.
Oof, Master 1.
I have a crown on my head. No, please make it. No! No, I had a crown on me. It was so pretty. This is so not fair. Now I don't have the crown on me. I need to go back to that thing.
Okay.
Guys, I'm gonna try it again. I feel like. Oh, okay.
Okay.
Oh, T-poses. T-poses. Stop T-posing.
T-posing. Fortnite. Okay, that was.
T-posing. You're T-posing. Even though you guys are noobs.
Okay, so okay, guys. So we're gonna be making a part 2. So tune in next time. Bye.